welcome to Legal Basics with Sarah Law Global, and my name is Sian. Now, a while back, I saw a meme on Facebook that said, I have lost my job at KFC and now I'm going to tell all of you what the recipe is. It's garlic and cardamom and cinnamon and salt and something else. I don't remember all the spices, but it was very funny. Anyway, I hope it was not true, because if this person did reveal the secret ingredient to KFC, he would be sued for a lot of money. So now, what is that? That thing that he was trying to reveal. That is called a trade secret. Now, a trade secret is a form of confidential information, but it is unique. So it must meet the threshold of regular confidential information as a form of intellectual property, and it must have its own extra qualities. Now, what are some of the trade secrets that we know? One is the secret ingredient in Coca-Cola. People talk about it a lot. They say only 2 people in the entire world know what that secret ingredient is. There is the algorithm for Google search. There is the criteria that New York Times decides on which is their best seller for every period. So many companies that thrive have a trade secret. So just like all other forms of intellectual property, a trade secret must be unknown in the market. It must be through the intellectual work of the owner or somebody contracted by the owner. There must be some kind of protection, and it can be protected even before infringement has happened. However, above the other forms of confidential information, certain unique features attach to trade secrets. First of all, for a secret to be a trade secret, it can only be revealed on a need-to-know basis. Now, that for example means that if a person works for your company or is in partnership with you or you're consulting, and in the course of that trade or that relationship, this person does not really need information to perform their task or their responsibility, then you should not reveal. As opposed to all other kinds of confidential information where you can reveal, and just so long as you tell this person that they're not supposed to reveal it or that they're bound by duty of confidentiality, for trade secrets, you should only reveal on a need-to-know basis. So that basically means that if I have a secret ingredient in my cake and I need my assistant to know how to bake that cake, I can tell her. But the person at the reception has no business knowing. So if the person at the reception gets to know, then it means that I was not able to sufficiently protect my trade secret. Secondly, although all forms of confidential information should have some commercial value, for trade secrets, it must have an independent economic value. So basically that means on its own, that secret would be able to be a game changer. And third, as much as confidential information regards all things that makes a business prosperous, for trade secrets, the secret must be giving the business competitive advantage. It must be the one thing or the 2 things or the 3 things that make this business to be ahead of the others. As a form of intellectual property, it attracts a lot of arguments, and one of the arguments is that protection of trade secrets allows businesses and persons to maybe use things that might be harmful to others and the others have no way of knowing. For example, we don't know what is in Coca-Cola, right? We don't know whether it harms our bodies. We don't know whether if they were to reveal it, then we would not drink Coca-Cola anymore. We don't know what's in that KFC chicken. We don't know whether that's why me and you keep going back to KFC. We don't know whether it's addictive. So for trade secrets, before you decide to protect them, you have to think about the moral values. Now, for trade secrets, they do not have to be registered to be enforceable. You do not even have to say that my company uses a secret that we do not tell people. You can keep it to yourself if you want to. However, if a trade secret has been revealed to a person in the course of business, you get to restrain that person from sharing your trade secret with a competitor or with another person in your industry. So just like all other forms of confidential information, people who trade secrets have been revealed to can be restrained from sharing the trade secrets through non-disclosure agreements, and also their independence to be employed by anyone can be curtailed by a non-disclosure agreement where they are restrained from working for competitors. Now, I hope that this broadcast has been useful to you. If you have any questions, if you need us to do any more broadcasts on this topic, please write to us at cyrologlobal@gmail.com. Keep safe, sanitize, and protect your families. Bye-bye.